Oh, okay.
Umvelase uhlaselwe umuntu ongaziwa sezibuya inhlazane izolo lapho abehlala khona eDanato, eNigel, empumalanga yaseGoli. Ubebukhoma kuTikTok khathi
Yabona nje ungavumi umuntu wesifazane noma kuthiwa ngiyabule kanjani jongo nje ungavumi isifazane akukhotha indlebe. Nawe lokhu uhleka uba lapho uhlekani lapho umuntu yokukhotha indlebe uzoba nenkani kanjani ukhotha indlebe uba lapho
Nale Polenare. She knows where to find the soup, the human soup. That's why sometimes Hakeja thought Kili Wane Kemonahana, Dai Paku and everything. Kirene man, Kinahana Pine Baramakoti Wainyaka Sisamaila.
Oh, okay.
umvelase uhlaselwe umuntu ongaziwa sezibuya inhlazane izolo lapho abehlala khona eDanato, eNigel, empumalanga yaseGoli. Ubebukhoma kuTikTok khathi ehlaselwa.
Indlela okwenzakale bamfice ehleli yedwa ejaradini ngoba ufazi obuningi manje asikabutholi and asikazi ukuthi kwenzekaleni okuyona eqondile ngoba nomuntu wahlala naye ubengeke esemsebenzini. Okay, mase ngiza la enhlelweni zokufihla nokubekwa fowethu njengamanje asikabunaso isiqiniseko. Ngicela sobuya sikuveze lokho ngesimo sokuthi sihla senyuka ngendaba yakhe. Engicabanga ukuthi okuningi sizokuqeda kusukela Monday kuyale.
Icala lokubulawa kukaMvelase livulwe emaphoyiseni aseDanato.
It is reported that the victim was sitting in his yard when accosted by an unknown suspect who shot at him multiple times before fleeing the scene. The motive of the attack is unknown at this stage, and police investigations are underway. The deceased is said to have been a Maskandi music reviewer on TikTok. It is requested that anyone who may have information that can assist with the police investigations to contact the Crime Stop line at 08600 10111. Alternatively, anonymous tip-offs can also be reported on MySubs app, which can be accessed on any smartphone.
Umvelase ushone eseneminyaka engama-27. Ushiye emhlabeni umndeni wakhe okhona kuwona umama. Abengakaziwa amalungiselelo omngcwabo wakhe.
I feel like TikTok content creators are just dying lately, bruh. Because this like umuntu wesibili lo in like a space of 2 weeks or a week, abamdubula live on TikTok. I mean, this just fucked up, bruh. There's nothing you can. To think ukuthi ukufa kwakho is like it's not documented, but people can like from time to time just run into your video getting killed because it's on TikTok. I don't think they're gonna take it down or something. And this crazy, it's crazy. And any of it's a slump like on socials, bruh. Like respect, like I am big on respecting my social media because you don't know me, I don't know you, you don't know what's how I'm putting nani, the demons I'm facing, and when I just happen to say something as on triggerisha, and at that moment my mind just goes blank and boom, feel. I'm just saying my faith too. On social media, I understand which you can talk to somebody or say Cape Town, you say Mpumalanga. That distance is a lot. It's not like Mzokibela from Cape Town to Mpumalanga just to trap by your ass. But yo, let's just respect one another of faith. And in case it and let's just dumb it down a little bit and get violent. Faith, you like the same old Dula died. And now it's May. Sibheke June and isiqiniseko nayo uyafa ufela ukuthuna ukhuluma kakhulu and people are celebrating his death. Right now in South Africa there's a lot going on. We just lost one of the best actors. We lost the Usiso Muhlu, Olirato, ngendlela yo bruh. And now somebody just got shot on TikTok live, bruh. Ngapha mfethu Trump no-Elon Musk la. It's like kuningi.
Ngamthanda umuntu angijikele. Ngabe kwenzenjani ngithandana nawe. Asengikhale mina. Joe. Girl Joe sengikhale. Ngikhala nje. Uzizwa kanjani sekuphelile asengikhale. Big girls don't cry. I will never do that.
Okay. Sanibonani. Dumelang. Molweni. Bonjour. Hey. Ndibisiwe. Hey. Umjolo futhi Tommy ne. Umjolo straight to the point. Terminal A, departure, fly survey. Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're going to be landing shortly. Local time is 8:03. Weather is 73 degrees and clear skies.
Mjolo ingaba ungubani na? Ingaba ulipedi awungikwishishi. Yo. Uhamba ngevura mntase liyakuruza kukhala amajuba ethi kru kru kru. Awukuyi uphefumula ngo-reverse mntase. Big girls don't cry. Big girls don't cry. Terminal A, first class, seat 3A from South Africa to Kwasiheri. Uyadipata mama uku-flight mode. Yo. That part where you convince yourself you won't cry. Uvela ukhale kakhulu. I needed that motivation last week. Big girls don't cry. That time, the cry I chrome. Yo. Usiya aze ayibone nje. Yo, ayise ngiyaxolisa. Sorry girl uyezwa, sorry mamas. Uzoyithola indoda yezwa ungakhala usakhala uzojabula. Yo, asilaleli.